That'll give most of us some rain, but especially the west, before eventually that one moves away and the high pressure returns for the latter part of the weekend. So at this stage, Mothering Sunday is shaping up to be a fine and bright day. Some sunshine, particularly across England and Wales, albeit rather blustery for Scotland and Northern Ireland with some showers. And it's in the northwest where the cloud is really proving reluctant to break today. A lot more cloud across Northern Ireland than we've seen just recently. And this cloud here through the Irish Sea, well, actually we've got some sea fog underneath that, just lapping on shore. So that will come and go and mean quite a grey day in some areas here. But for many of us, the brightness will continue with the best of the sunshine again in eastern areas, which is where we're expecting the highest temperatures. Just the outside chance, I think, in southern England of a shower later on. But 16 or 17, those temperatures are already creeping up. A little bit cooler, I think, down the North Sea coast with those sea breezes setting in, and obviously cooler where we keep the cloud around the Irish Sea. Cool inland, I think, tonight, as recent nights temperatures could tumble to within a degree or so of freezing, so a touch of frost, say, in the Scottish Glens and perhaps the Vale of York by morning, but in the towns and cities holding up above freezing. But like this morning, come tomorrow morning's rush hour, there could well be some patchy fog in its nature, giving quite a hazard to motorists with that visibility reduced to 100 metres. But once that clears, I think for England and Wales, a very similar day to today. The best of the sunshine in the east, just the outside chance of a shower in the southwest and Wales pushing northwards through the day. But as you can see, for Scotland and Northern Ireland, I think here, the northwestern half at least, having a cloudier day, and that rain will turn more persistent in the northern and western hours and eventually the northwest mainland later in the day. So quite a change here, and obviously that will hold the temperatures down. But in eastern parts of England, East Wales, what you have today really is what you'll have tomorrow, temperature-wise, 16 or 17 on the cards, and very similar for Thursday too. In fact, by then, that weather front starts to move away from Scotland and Northern Ireland, so the brighter weather returning, but late in the day, just the hint of a change, and then Friday does look quite wet to end the week, Anna, in the west in particular.